In a competitive exam, 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer, and for every wrong answer, 2 marks are deducted, and he scores 32 marks in the examination. If 4 marks had been awarded for each correct answer and 1 mark had been deducted for each incorrect answer, Rakesh would have scored 34 marks. If Rakesh attempted all the questions, how many questions were there in the test? Okay. So they have given two cases here. So 5 marks are for every correct answer, and for every wrong answer, it is 2 marks. Okay. So correct answer means it's nothing but plus 5 as per the question here. And wrong answer means it is nothing but minus 2. Okay. So if that is the pattern of case, he scored how many marks? He scored 32 marks in this examination. Okay. If 4 marks have been awarded for each correct answer, plus 4 for correct answer, and 1 mark is deducted for a wrong answer, then Rakesh would have scored 34 marks. Fine. So if Rakesh attempted all the questions, how many questions were there in the test? Okay. So you have two cases here. You can frame two equations with a first case and then second case together. And then while solving the two equations, you can understand how many questions are there in the test. Okay. As they confirmed that Rakesh attempted all the questions in the test, if at all, the correct answers, you are taking it as C. Like correct questions, you are representing it as C. And then wrong questions. What are the wrong questions? If we are representing it as W. So total questions are nothing but C plus W only, right? So total questions in the exam is nothing but C plus W. Okay. Because they mentioned clearly here, Rakesh is attempting all the questions in the test. Either the question can be falling into wrong or otherwise the question can be correct. Okay. So both correct answers and wrong answers of questions, if you are counting, you can understand total how many questions are there in the test. Okay. So let's write the equations with respect to case 1 and case 2. Okay. What is case 1? Case 1 is nothing but if the question is correct, it is nothing but plus 5. Okay. Plus 5 for the correct answer. Okay. And then minus 2 for the wrong. And what is case 2? Case 2 I'm writing here. Case 2 is nothing but plus 4 for the correct question. Okay. And then minus 1 for wrong. Okay. So if this is the pattern, he is scoring 32 marks. And if this is the pattern, he is scoring 34 marks. Okay. So let's write the equations like this. So C, I'm taking it for the correct answers and then correct answered ones. And then W, I'm taking it for the wrong answered ones. Okay. So the first case is nothing but I don't know how many correct answers are there, but for every correct answer, it is 5 marks. So 5C minus, I don't know how many wrong answers are there, but for every wrong answer, it is nothing but minus 2. So 2W is equal to 32. Okay. If this is the pattern, he will be attempting questions like this and he will be getting 32 marks. That is first equation. And what is second equation? Second equation is like for correct answer 4 marks. So 4C minus for wrong answer 1 mark. So W is equal to 34. So we have to find out a W value and we have to find out a C value anyway. So let's find out W value first, taking this as the first equation and taking this as the second one. Let's multiply second equation with the 2 to solve for the question. Okay. So if we multiply the second equation with the 2, how the equations will be turning on? 5C minus 2W is equal to 32 will be the same first equation. So 4 into 2, it is nothing but 8C minus 2W is equal to 34 into 2. 34 into 2 is nothing but 68, right? 68 here. Okay. Already subtraction is there. That means you have to double subtract these values to solve on. This will become plus. Okay. So these two values will be getting cancelled off and this is nothing but minus 3C equal to 32 minus 68. How much is the value? 32 minus 68 means it is nothing but 36, right? So minus 36. Minus will be cancelling it off. And if you cancel it with the 3, then C is equal to 36 by 3, which is equal to 12. Okay. So correct answers is nothing but a 12. So you got the correct answers as 12. But now you can't mark the answer. You have to find for the value of W also to solve for the question. And C plus W will give you the answer for the question. Correct answer as nothing but 12. Now with the help of C is equal to 12, you can take that value and substitute in any of the equations to solve for the answer. Okay. I'm taking out the second equation before multiplying it with the 2. 4c minus w is equal to 34 is the value, right? So 4 into 12 minus w equal to 34. 12 fours are 48. 48 minus w equal to 34. So if you rearrange the terms, minus w equal to 34 minus 48, you'll be getting negative value only here. What is the value of w, guys? W is nothing but 48, like minus 26, right? 1 second. 48 minus 34. It's nothing but minus 40. So minus minus will be getting cancelled off, and then W is nothing but 14. So you got the correct answers are 12 and then wrong answers are nothing but 14. So altogether, how many questions are there in the examination means 12 plus 14, it is nothing but 26. Okay. Option D, 26 is the answer. So we have two equations with respect to two case values of correct answers marks and then wrong answered marks. So two equations solving together, C is 12. That means correct answer questions are nothing but 12 and wrong answer questions are nothing but 14. Altogether, it is nothing but 12 plus 14. Now 26 questions are there totally in the test. Okay.